What is she doing? She can't drive that truck.
No, she does not need to be driving that truck.
Oh God, she's not done. What is she doing now?
What is she doing?
I don't know.
She's gonna end up hitting somebody's vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah, she's trying to back into that spot.
Why do people buy trucks? They can't drive?
I know, everybody wants to drive big old fucking honking vehicles and they can't drive them.
Fucking Tonkin.
Look at this, got me fired up.
Look at her. She can't back in straight. Oh my God, here we go again.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, why is she coming this way? Hell no. Go on then.
What is she doing?
Is she drunk? Don't come over here with that bullshit. Look at her.